Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be showing you how to successfully apply the Olixar Helix 360 degree protection system, as well as giving my opinions on this interesting case and screen combo. As with all multi-piece installation products, we always advise unpacking carefully and keeping everything close to hand so that you can complete the installation process quickly and without dust or dirt reappearing at inconvenient times. With everything to hand, you'll firstly need to begin cleaning your iPhone X screen and sides ready for the bumper to be applied. I would recommend only using the provided microfiber cleaning cloth at this stage, like so. With the bumper quickly applied thereafter, you can now begin providing your iPhone X display with a much thorough clean. Using the provided cleaning wipe, you can loosen any trapped dirt and fingerprints before then giving it a going over with the microfiber cloth once more. You'll now need to use the dust removal stickers to lift any final pieces of dirt and dust. This will leave you with the screen ready for installation, allowing you to remove the front protector from the protective backing like so, and then lower it into place using the bumper as a guide. Make sure that you pay close attention to the ear speaker cutout, as this will also ensure correct alignment. With this step done, you can now focus on the back of your iPhone X by again providing a clean in the same manner as you did the front of the phone. By using the second wet wipe, of which you'll want to save afterwards, then the microfiber cloth and dust removal stickers, you can then begin peeling the protective backing away from the back protector and then lowering it into place. With alignment correct thanks to the large camera and Apple logo cutouts, you can now provide a firm press around the entirety of the glass panel so as to secure it in place. You'll now be left with one final step in order to complete the installation process. You'll need to reuse one of the cleaning wipes to quickly clean your iPhone X camera like so, before giving it a going over with the microfiber cleaning cloth and dust removal sticker. Then simply peel away the backing and lower into place, after which provide a firm press and you'll be finished, leaving you with the most complete, stylish and slim protective package available. The overall look that the Helix provides is exceptional. It keeps things nice and slim, preserving the look and feel of your iPhone X perfectly. I love the Brazen red bumper myself, as it makes the phone really pop. However, Olixar do also offer a space grey version to complete the colour matched assembly. So if stealthy protection is more your thing, then the space grey version is definitely the one for you. All three of the protectors provide exceptional protection, while the bumper equips a solid frame that will guard well against small drops and bumps. In terms of clarity and responsiveness, the front glass protector ticks all the boxes, making viewing media, typing long text, browsing the web and alike just as effortless as it was before. Overall, the quality of the Olixar Helix really shines through, making it easily one of the best case and screen protector combos around. It provides full 360 degree protection like nothing we've seen before, and I for one would highly recommend it to any iPhone X owners out there. If you're interested in finding out more or purchasing the Olixar Helix in either Brazen Red or Space Grey, then I'll be leaving a link for both in the description and the comments below.